What's going on, you guys? Still working on restoring this 2005 Suzuki LT-A50 little mini quad. And, you know, it's basically all original. It obviously was not used very much. So, I've got it running really well, and I've just done some, basic restoration of various things on it. Next thing I'm going to do, though, is improve the look of the rims, which you can tell they're not awful, but they got a few little rust spots on them, and I personally don't like the light silver color like that, which is the factory metallic color. So here's what I've done with a mixture of duct tape, a t-shirt. Got 2 layers of duct tape, basically. In fact, it's not silver duct tape, it's black duct tape, but it doesn't matter. I did a layer of tape, around the border of the rim. Then I used just an old t-shirt because it's stretchable, and just wrapped it around the wheel, wrapped it around the tire, and then taped that on there with, more duct tape, and then went to town painting it. How about that? This is a Rust-Oleum dark steel color metallic paint. Pretty awesome. I just like that darker color. Let's put it next to the other one and show the difference. There you go. See, it's just a little bit darker. A little more modern, in my opinion. But it's also, nicely metallic. If it'll focus there. Pretty sharp looking metallic color. A little bit darker. It's called dark steel. So anyway, I think it's going to look pretty sweet. Just got 3 more of them to do now. So, it's a little bit time consuming as far as prepping the wheel. And I did some basic sanding with a sponge. A sponge sander basically by hand. Then cleaned it, with contact cleaner, wiped it off real good with a clean towel. And then laid it down flat. And put a couple of coats of Rust-Oleum paint on it. Should look really good. What else have I done? Did a gold chain. A gold Regina chain down there because the stock one was original and hideous. Replaced the entire pull start mechanism. I have already repainted the exhaust pipe, as you can see. It's a new head, new cylinder, new top end job. Did a little touch-up paint on parts of the frame, that were a little bit rusty. Installed a new parental leash switch on it. There's the new, that's a stock carburetor that I have cleaned thoroughly and polished. And then there's a uni pod style air filter. You have to do a little mod to another type of filter mount in order to make that work, because as you know, the stock air filter holder is this stupid thing here. Ridiculous. It's just dumb. Everyone hates it. So I had to do a little bit of a little searching around and modding and whatnot, and she runs really good. I haven't even ridden it yet. I've just cranked it up in here. Anyway, how I painted the rims. A t-shirt, some duct tape, sand it with a sponge sander, and there you go. Check out our other videos. We got lots more going on with this little mini, and we're always posting new stuff, so hope you subscribe, like, follow, blah blah blah. We'll see y'all later.